Hey, I'm Bruce, and in this video, I want to show you how you can create awesome videos for your business without having to spend thousands of dollars. Video is one of the most powerful accelerators that you can use to help you upgrade your online sales process. Whether you're just launching a YouTube channel or you're creating product videos for your website, video is proven to be one of the most effective tools for any entrepreneur to get their message out to the world. Viewers retain 95% of a message when they watch a video about it, versus only 10% when they read about that same content. That's incredible. That means people will actually learn and remember what you create videos about instead of just writing a bunch of text. That's why I'm creating this video instead of just writing a blog post. Another stat I saw said that online shoppers who view video demos are 1.8 times more likely to purchase than someone who didn't watch that same video. That means if you just take a video of a product or service and put it on your landing page or on your website, there's a chance that that will actually increase sales just because you added a video to a website. If you're just starting to create videos for your business, you may not want to spend thousands of dollars up front before you can justify that investment. Now, having the right gear should never keep you from creating and sharing awesome content. The smartphone in your pocket has an awesome camera. If it's an Android, iPhone, anything that's kind of in the last couple years, they have full HD or 4K cameras built right in. If you want to make your smartphone videos look a little more professional, there's a couple accessories you can buy that will help give it that professional look. I've put a kit together here that has a stabilizer, it has a mic, and there's a few accessories that go with it. But essentially, I'm just using the phone that I use every single day, and I can create some really cool smooth movements. You can see that as I move like back and forth, it keeps the phone kind of moving up and down, so you don't get that really shaky camera, which can be really distracting if you're trying to show someone a product. And then I've got, there's a mic that's on here. So this is the Rode micro mic. And I'm gonna link to everything down in the description. So you can go and find those things on Amazon. Everything that's here, if you put it all together, it's less than $200, I think. I really like that there is a little stand built in. Now, of course, you can unscrew this if you don't want it, but you can close it and it kind of gets out of the way, or you can open it again and just put it down on a table. And then you're able to talk hands-free to your smartphone, and it's basically like having a little tripod right on your desk. It's at the perfect height if you put it on a table. One thing I really like about this setup is that you can film with the mic kind of facing forward if you're filming someone else on your team. But if it's just you and you're just a solopreneur and you're all by yourself, just flip this mic around, and you can actually just flip the camera on your phone and then just talk to your phone. You got great audio, and you can actually see what's being recorded. This is great also for live streams. One of the other things I want to point out is that you get all these kind of buttons and things, but you can actually play with this, and you can set this to, zoom in, zoom out, you can focus, you can do all kinds of things with these buttons. I hope this video is helpful. Again, all the links are down in the description. There's also a blog post that outlines all of this below, so check that out. I hope this was helpful, and good luck making some awesome videos for your business.